Choosing the perfect camera to capture your adventures can be overwhelming. Fear not, Globetrotters. This deep dive explores the top 5 travel cameras for 2024, offering insights based on user experiences and key features. Number 1. OM System OM5. The mighty mini marvel, best overall. User experience, packing light, this mirrorless gem delivers DSLR quality in a compact body. Weatherproof and image stabilized, it conquered dusty hikes and cityscapes effortlessly. The flip screen was a lifesaver for selfies and vlogs. Key features: micro Four Thirds sensor, 20MP with excellent image quality. Lightweight and weatherproof magnesium alloy body. 5-axis and body image stabilization IBIS for blur-free shots. 30 FPS continuous shooting for capturing action. 4K 30p video recording. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7C. Full frame freedom, best full frame. User experience, luxury for travel photography. The Alpha 7C surprised me with its portability despite the full frame sensor. Stunning low light performance and fast autofocus made night markets and museums come alive. But beware, the lens selection can add to the weight. Key features: full frame sensor, 24MP for exceptional image quality and low light performance. Compact and lightweight body compared to other full-frame cameras. Fast and accurate autofocus system. 10 FPS continuous shooting. 4K 30p video recording. Number 3. Sony RX107. Pocket powerhouse, best premium compact. User experience: this little ninja fits anywhere, image quality rivals mirrorless cameras, and the versatile zoom lens is perfect for everything from landscapes to portraits. The touchscreen and pop-up viewfinder are handy, but the price tag might sting. Key features: 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, 20.1 megapixels with excellent image quality. 24 to 200 millimeters equivalent zoom lens, fast autofocus system. 20 FPS continuous shooting. 4K 30p video recording. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Action-packed adventures, best action camera. User experience: daredevils rejoice. This rugged camcorder took the plunge, literally, and emerged unscathed. The ultra-wide field of view captured epic POV shots, and the stabilization smoothed out bumpy rides. Just remember, low light performance isn't its forte. Key features: rugged and waterproof design, ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view, hypersmooth 2.0 video stabilization, 5.7K 60 FPS video recording, 23 megapixels photos. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix ZS200, TZ200. All-in-one Explorer, best value. User experience: budget-friendly yet feature-packed, this super zoom compact captured landscapes, wildlife, and close-ups with ease. The electronic viewfinder was helpful in bright conditions, and the 4K video quality exceeded expectations. Key features: 1-inch sensor, 20.3 megapixels for good image quality, 24 to 720 millimeters equivalent zoom lens, fast autofocus system, 30 FPS continuous shooting, 4K 60p video recording.